Welcome! In this short guide, you'll learn how to find all your saved messages in a chat on the Telegram app for PC using the latest version. Whether you need to revisit important notes or recover shared files, these simple steps will help you do it quickly and easily. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in with the same account where your messages are saved. Once you're inside the app, you'll see a list of all your chats on the left side of the screen. Now, find the chat you want to look into. This can be a conversation with a friend, a group chat, or even a channel. Click on it to open the chat window. Once the chat is open, look at the top of the screen and click on the chat's name. This will open the information panel for that specific chat. Inside the chat info panel, you'll see several options such as media, files, and links. These show you everything that's been shared in that chat. But to find your personally saved messages, look for and click on Saved Messages. This section contains all the content you forwarded or saved from that particular chat. After clicking on Saved Messages, Telegram will open your personal cloud space within the app. Here, you'll find everything you've saved, from text notes and links to media and documents. Think of it as your private chat vault that automatically syncs across all devices. If you want to see where a saved message originally came from, you can click on it. Telegram will highlight or open the original chat right at the message's exact spot, making navigation smooth and simple. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your saved messages in a chat on the Telegram desktop app. It's a great way to organize your important information without losing track of it across multiple chats. Take a few minutes to explore this section and make saving messages part of your routine. It'll definitely make your Telegram experience more efficient and organized.